Attention builders! Stand at attention, because today we are taking our surveillance to a higher level. Look at this wall. It is too tall for a standard viewer. If you cannot see over the obstacle, the mission is a failure. Welcome to Cardboard Commander, mission number 4, the telescoping periscope. Today, we are moving beyond fixed designs to build a modular sliding machine that can grow in height while keeping a crystal clear image. If you can master the sliding alignment and see over the tower wall, you earn the Recon Specialist badge. Stand by for the engineering briefing, because we are reaching for the sky. Let's go into the commander files for a deep dive into the science of extended optics. A periscope works because of the law of reflection, which says light bounces off a mirror at the exact same angle it hits. But in a telescoping design, we have a bigger challenge. As the tubes slide apart, the mirrors must remain perfectly parallel, or the image will vanish. This is the exact same tech used in naval submarines and tank commanders to scout the battlefield safely. Today, you are building a professional-grade sliding viewer using the physics of alignment and the strength of recycled cardboard. Wait, is your brain calibrated for long-range scouting? It is time for the Commander Reflex Tests, Level 4. Round 1. The height scan. A target is appearing at 3 different levels on your screen right now. Can you identify the tallest one in under 5 seconds? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you lock the target? Round 2. The angle trap. If the top mirror tilts down 5 degrees, will you see the sky or the ground? The ground is the only answer for a master mechanic. Round 3. The focus stretch. Keep your eyes on the center of the lens as the tube extends to maximum length without blinking. Incredible focus, Agent. Your vision is sharp. Now, let's gather your tactical construction materials. Search your workshop for these specific items. You need 2 different size cardboard tubes. Make sure the small one slides snugly inside the large one without wobbling too much. You also need high-quality mirrors or mirrored cardstock, plenty of duct tape for the seams, and a long ruler for precise measurements. Parents, this is a master class in spatial awareness and precision engineering. It teaches kids that even the smallest mistake in an angle can change the entire result of a build. Now, let's begin the master installation. Step 1. The viewing ports. Cut a square window in the top of the small tube and the bottom of the large tube. Step 2. The mirror mounts. Create 2 cardboard wedges at exactly 45 degrees and glue your mirrors to them. Step 3. The internal alignment. Slide the small tube into the large one and ensure the mirrors are facing each other. Step 4. The seal. Secure the mirrors with tape so they never move. Step 5. The extension test. Pull the tubes apart slowly while looking through the bottom port. The image should stay clear as your view climbs higher and higher. Mission accomplished. You have earned the Recon Specialist badge. You have taken 2 simple tubes and turned them into a high-reach tool of engineering. But stay alert, because the Kitchen Alchemy and Secret Agent Academy are watching your progress. Hit subscribe to join the fleet and never miss a build. We are seeing the world from a new perspective, 1 tube at a time. Commander dismissed for today. We will see you at the next build.